Did you know that fennel seeds were prized in ancient Egypt? Yes, the ancient Egyptians knew all about their medicinal properties. Fennel seeds have been found in Egyptian tombs dating back to 4000 BC. Let's find out why this humble seed has withstood the test of time. Extremely nutritious, both fennel and its seeds are packed with nutrients. Just 1 tablespoon, 6 grams of dried fennel seeds contains 20 calories, 2 grams of fiber, vitamin C, 1% of the RDI, calcium, 5% iron, 6%, magnesium, 5%, potassium, 2%, and manganese comes in with 17% of the RDI. Fennel seeds are low in calories and provide many important nutrients. Vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant in your body, protecting against cellular damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Contain powerful plant compounds. Perhaps the most impressive benefits of fennel seeds come from the antioxidants and many potent plant compounds they contain. The essential oil of the plant has been shown to contain more than 87 volatile compounds, including the polyphenol antioxidants rosmarinic acid, chlorogenic acid, quercetin, and apigenin. Polyphenol antioxidants are potent anti-inflammatory agents that have powerful effects on your health. Many studies have suggested that people who enjoy diets rich in antioxidants have a lower risk of chronic conditions like heart disease, obesity, cancer, neurological diseases, and type 2 diabetes. More than 28 helpful compounds have been identified in fennel seeds, including anethol, fenchone, methylchavicol, and limonene. Animal and test tube studies note that the organic compound anethol has anti-cancer, antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties, whereas limonene helps combat free radicals and has been shown to protect rat cells from damage caused by certain chronic diseases. Welcome to Focused on Health, the channel dedicated to researching and bringing you the best information on your health and wellness. If you learn anything, please like and subscribe. Also, if you know something about fennel, please consider sharing. We are glad you are here. Watch to the end for a simple recipe for fennel tea. Fennel seeds may suppress appetite. Fennel seeds may not only add depth and flavor to your recipes, but also help suppress your appetite. A small study demonstrated that people who drank tea made with 2 grams of fennel seeds before eating lunch felt significantly less hungry and consumed fewer calories during the meal than those who drank a placebo tea. Anethol, found in fennel essential oil, may be behind the appetite-suppressing qualities of the plant. However, another study found that those who supplemented with 300 mg of fennel extract daily for 12 weeks gained a small amount of weight compared to a placebo group and did not experience reduced appetite, so evidently more studies are needed. May benefit your heart. Consuming fennel and its seeds may benefit heart health in a number of ways due to fennel's high fiber content. Fiber is a nutrient proven to reduce some heart disease risk factors like high cholesterol. A review of 22 studies focused on fiber intake revealed a lower risk of heart disease. Findings include that for each additional 7 grams of fiber consumed per day, heart disease risk decreased by 9%. We already know that fennel contain nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. But did you know that those minerals play important roles in keeping your heart healthy? For example, including rich sources of potassium in your diet may help reduce high blood pressure, a risk factor for heart disease. May help fight cancer. The high number of powerful plant compounds in fennel may help protect against chronic diseases, not the least of which is certain cancers. Anethol, one of the main active compounds in fennel seeds, has been found to exhibit cancer-fighting properties. A test tube study showed that anethol suppressed cell growth and induced apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in human breast cancer cells. Another test tube study observed that fennel extract stopped the spread of human breast cancer cells and induced cancer cell death. Animal studies also suggest that extract from the seeds may protect against breast and liver cancer. Although these results are certainly promising, more human studies are needed before fennel or its extract can be recommended as an alternative treatment for cancer. May benefit breastfeeding women. Fennel has been shown to have galactogenic properties, meaning it helps increase milk secretion. Researchers believe that specific substances found in anethol, like dianethol and photoanethol, are responsible for the galactogenic effects of the plant. Fennel may increase blood levels of prolactin, a hormone that signals the body to produce breast milk. However, other studies found no effect on milk secretion or infant weight gain. Negative side effects such as poor weight gain and difficulty feeding have also been reported in infants whose mothers drank lactation teas containing fennel. For these reasons, breastfeeding women should always consult their healthcare provider before using fennel to stimulate milk production. May reduce inflammation. Fennel and its seeds have remarkable properties that may help reduce inflammation. Fennel seeds contain powerful antioxidants including vitamin C and quercetin. These compounds have anti-inflammatory effects and can help lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body. Anethol possesses antimicrobial, antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been studied for its potential benefits in combating inflammation. Fennel has been traditionally used to aid digestion. Laboratory research suggests that fennel seed extract can strengthen the intestinal epithelium, which is the outer layer of tissue. This effect may be beneficial for digestive disorders, including inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, may benefit mental health memory enhancement. Animal studies indicate that fennel extract may reduce aging-related memory deficits. While more research is needed, this suggests a potential benefit for cognitive health. Fennel is particularly beneficial for oral care due to its unique properties. Fennel aids digestion, which indirectly impacts oral health. A healthy digestive system promotes better nutrient absorption, benefiting teeth and gums. Fennel has been used traditionally as a natural remedy for various ailments, including oral issues. Its gentle effects make it suitable for sensitive mouths. Hot fennel tea recipe ingredients: 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 cup of boiling water, optional honey or sugar for sweetening instructions. Start by bringing water to a boil. Crush the fennel seeds. Measure 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds into a mortar. Use the pestle to lightly crush the seeds. Add fennel seeds to teapot. Let the fennel seeds steep for about 5 minutes. After steeping, strain the tea into your teacup. Add honey or sugar if desired for sweetness. Enjoy your soothing cup of fennel tea. It's not only flavorful but also has digestive benefits and may help reduce bloating. If you found this content informative, don't hesitate to share your thoughts, stories or questions in the comments section below. Your experiences and insights can contribute to a supportive community. Remember to subscribe for more valuable content on health, wellness and medical awareness. Together we can spread knowledge and make a positive impact.